Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quiche. They used to be so popular, they even wrote a book about it, Real Men Don't Eat Quiche, in 1982. I made 1 million of them at the restaurant I worked at. I remember my sister making a quiche when she was home from college. She used the joy of cooking, and I thought it was great. This will certainly make people think you're a great cook. I've learned a good secret. Stop wasting time making the crust and blind baking it. Frozen crusts are just as good. Keep a 9-inch deep dish crust in the freezer. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So let's get started. I'm going to get all my ingredients together. I have 2 slices of bacon that are cooked and chopped. I have about ½ a cup of raw chopped onion. I have 5 ounces of grated Swiss cheese. I have a package of spinach that I thawed and drained. I have some hatched chilies that these are fresh ones that I fire roasted, peeled, and seeded. If you don't have time or don't have access, you can get hatched chilies in the grocery store. So now I'm going to take my cup of half and half, and I'm going to whisk in 4 eggs. I'm going to whisk in also a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and some fresh ground pepper. Okay. I'm whisking this until it gets a little bit frothy and it's well mixed together. It doesn't have to be beaten, it just has to be well incorporated. Looks like it's good. So now I'm going to take my pie crust straight out of the freezer. I'm going to put about 1/3 of the Swiss cheese on the bottom. Just make a nice little layer in the bottom there. I'm going to tear up, break up a little of the spinach, just make a nice even coating on the bottom. Like I said, you probably won't use the whole thing. Looks good. Put some bacon in here. Put some onion going in here. Like I said, I only need like 1/2 cup. This is probably a little more than that. And I got my green chilies. Just layer these in here. You can do these up ahead of time and put them in a freezer in a single layer or in plastic wrap. They'll last like up to a year in the freezer. Now I'm going to put the rest of the cheese on top. Swizzle. Pour this on nice and slow to work its way all the way to the edges. So this is what it should look like when it's all done. It's ready for the oven. I'm going to put it on a baking sheet, throw it in the oven, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. After 15 minutes of cooking, I reduced the heat to 350 and continued cooking for 35 more minutes. It should look like this. I would serve this with a salad and pair with a sparkling wine. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.